So students, we starting the point part 5th, and in the previous video we starting from the first, but I'll explain it again. Name the line segment that intersect at A. So at intersect at A, we write EA, HA and BA. Okay, in same way we have to write EA, BA, HA, and these are the line segment. Okay, at a point, common point is A. Next, what name the line segment that intersect at G? Means at G point we have to speaking about the two line segment which having the common point G and they intersect at that point. So the answer is HC and BD. Okay, HC and BD, and these are the line segment. This line show these are the line segment. What other line segment can be drawn? Okay, so from this shape, how many we can draw by own self? The line segment, because line segment having the starting point and ending point, it's our own choice. We can making like AC, AG, EG, FH and FG, and these line shows these are the line segment. Again I will repeat: AC, AG, EG, FH and FG. Okay, these are the line segment. Next, name the point of intersection of the line segment AD and BE. You will see AD and BE where these lines cut each other, so the common point is H. Okay, the point is H. Answer is the point is H. Okay, next, the sixth part. In the adjoining figure, name the four pair of intersecting line. Okay, what are intersecting line? These are the lines which having this common point, and these line are intersect at that common point. So these we see GH and AC. So the common point is that is the pair of these line. Next, GH AD. Okay, next FE and AC, the common point is that. Next, EF and AD, the common point is that also. Okay, so we can write in the same way: GH, these shows these are the lines, GH AC bracket closed, GH AD bracket closed, FE AC bracket closed, EF AD bracket close, and these all having the arrow headed, means it shows these are the line, not a line segment. Okay, next, for collinear point. Okay, the collinear point are those which lying on the same line. For example, in that way, these are the collinear point, these lying on the same line. So these we call that collinear point. So in the figure, if we see GCDH, answer is GCDH. So we can write GCDH. These are the collinear point because they're lying on the same line. Next, three non-collinear point. The answer is ACG because G is in another line. So the answer is ACG. Non-collinear means they are not lying on the same line. Answer is ACG. Next, three concurrent lines. Okay, three concurrent lines. So concurrent lines are those which having the common point same and they are passing through that particular point. So the answer is GH, AD and BD, and they are meeting at that point. Okay, concurrent line GH, AD, BD because they are meeting at that particular point. So that these are concurrent lines. Okay, next, three lines whose point of intersection is A. So the point of intersection is A. Three line we have to count: EF, AD and AC. Means at the point A, these three lines are intersecting with each other. So A is the point of intersection for them.